Hey Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amusement right here, and basically what this is a portable karaoke machine. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here is basically what the product looks like. If you guys turn on the other side, if you see the bottom, they provide you guys some specs and features on here. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So right here they do provide guys like a user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. Right here they provide guys a remote control that you can use to control it, or you can probably control it manually on the device as well. Right here we have the cable that's going to plug in to activate the product, and right here we have two of the microphones that provide for you guys, and both of them are the same. So I'm going to take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you see, we do have the brand logo, and then right here we do have the switch for it to activate it, and right here is where to plug in the cable to actually activate it. So once you guys push it up, it'll turn on. Push it down, that'll turn off. So that is basically what the microphone looks like. And once you guys take out the protection layer, right underneath that we do have the actual product. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here's basically what the product looks like. So you can see how it's all nicely wrapped up. Let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So front part right here we do have the little brand logo. Right here we do have the speaker. Top part right here we do have the disco ball and everything like I mentioned. If you guys turn on the side, they probably got a bunch of these outputs and inputs. So there's a mic 1, mic 2. So you can plug in the microphones on there. Right underneath that we do have the option for you to plug in an aux cable. And right underneath that we do have a slot for you to plug in the USB cable. If you guys turn on the back, this is where you gotta plug in the cable to activate it. And if you guys turn on this side, if you see they have a bunch of stuff on here. So they have a mic on and mic off switch right here. Right here we do have a switch for you to turn on the echo option. Middle part right here is probably the switch for you to activate it and adjust the different volume setting on here as well.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So that will activate it. Bottom part right here we do have a play and pause button, a skip and rewind button. There's a sound FX option, a voice FX option, and a lights FF option as well. So you definitely have the option to adjust all of that if you guys do want to. And if you guys notice when we turn on the product, it does allow you guys to use it wireless. So you don't need to plug in the cable if you guys don't want to, which is pretty awesome. And the very bottom, they do have like a non-slip material. So that way when you guys do put it on a flat surface or the ground, it won't move around. And I also do want to mention the way how to design the back part right here. It does give you guys a little slot for you to carry around really easily, which is pretty cool as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just plugging the cable to show you guys how to charge it first before we actually activate it. So I basically want to take out this cable right here, and we're going to plug it in to charge it up. Alright, so if you guys plug it in, once you guys plug it in, if you see on the side right here, it does show you guys an indicator light to show you guys that it is charging. And if you guys try to turn it on while it's plugged in,
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
that works as well. And if you guys notice once we turn it on, they do have the LED light that pops on right here. So that's actually really cool. And for the LED light option, there's a lot of different patterns available. They give you guys an option on top and also right here. And the way how you guys change the different lights on here is by pressing on the lights FF button. So if you guys press on it, that is how you guys change the different light options on here, which is pretty awesome. So based on what they mentioned, there's a total of 6 different light options available. And obviously on the top part right here, like I mentioned, it does give you guys like the projection option as well. So when you guys do project on the wall, you can kind of see it right there in the back. But I will show you guys what it looks like in a darker setting in a second. And for the product, it does allow you guys to connect on Bluetooth as well. So I'm actually connect onto Bluetooth and play a song to show you guys what it sounds like.
Bluetooth connected.
Alright, so we got connected. Let's play a song on here. So in here the product definitely does work, and it does have a really strong audio and bass that's on here. And like I mentioned, for the product it does have an aux option. So if you guys want to change this from Bluetooth to aux and vice versa, you basically want to press and hold the play button and that will adjust it for you from aux to Bluetooth option. But in here the audio and the bass on here works pretty well. Now let me show you guys some other effects that's available for you. So if you guys press on the sound FX option, let's see what happens. So every time if you guys press on the sound FX option, the different sound that's available. So if you guys press on again.
Let's get ready to rumble!
And then if you guys press on the voice FX option, let's see what happens.
Auto-tune.
So that's the auto tune option.
Robot.
Robot,
Female.
female,
Male.
male,
Keyed. Sing.
sing,
Original.
original. So there's different modes available for you guys that you can do for auto tune, etc., which is pretty awesome as well. So that is basically everything that's included for you guys on the product. Let me actually plug in the microphone to show you guys what it sounds like when you guys do use it. So obviously, like I mentioned, they do provide guys 2 microphones, but for this test, I'm only plugging in one of them. Alright, so once you guys plug it in right here, then you guys are ready to start using it. So you guys turn it on. You guys want to turn this knob right here to adjust the microphone setting. And you guys also want to turn on the volume setting on here as well.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Alright, so we got everything on. If you guys can hear, this is what the microphone sounds like. If you guys turn on the max, it's much more louder, if you guys can hear. And if you guys want to turn the echo option, you guys want to turn right here. You guys can turn it all the way if you guys want to. Or you can turn it off if you guys don't want the echo. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use like the voice FX option, you guys can do that as well. So this is what it sounds like in the original version. If you guys press it one time,
Auto-tune.
this is what it sounds like with the auto tune option. If you guys can hear it, sounds pretty good. But let's try the next one.
Robot.
This is what it sounds like on the robot option. If you guys can hear what it sounds like, let's try the next one.
Female.
This is what it sounds like with the female version. If you guys can hear what it sounds like. If you guys press on the next one,
Male.
male. This is what it sounds like with the male option. It sounds very, very deep. But let's try the next one.
Keyed.
Not sure what this is, but it sounds like a chipmunk or something. But let's try the next one.
Sing.
This is the singing mode. If you guys can hear, this is what the singing mode sounds like. So I'm assuming when you guys are singing on here, it sounds pretty good. But I'm not a singer, so I'm not going to sing for you guys. And if you guys press it one more time,
Original.
it goes back to original mode, which is what we started with. So it's actually very easy and very simple for you to use it. You can definitely play your songs on here and do karaoke at the same time if you guys want to. And if you guys want that echo option, like I mentioned, you can turn it on max, and that way you can get the echo. So that way you can get an even better experience, like a karaoke experience on here, which is pretty awesome. And then what's really cool about the product, like I mentioned, is the fact that it does give you guys the option to use it wireless. That way it makes the product even more portable, so that way you bring anywhere, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys really think about it, the product is actually super awesome because it gives you guys the mic option to do karaoke, speaker option, the LED light option, and so much more all in one. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this into a darker setting to show you guys what the light looks like when you guys do turn it on. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me actually turn on the light and show you guys what the product looks like.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Alright, so I'm actually turn off the light. So this is what the product looks like in complete darkness. If you guys bring a little bit of light in, this is what the product looks like. If you guys want to adjust the light setting on here, this is a projection mode option. So you can see throughout the side of the product, it does have the projection that's on here. So if you guys look throughout the room, it definitely has a pretty good projection on here. If you guys press on the button again, now it's basically showing you guys the light option in the front and also like the night projection as well, which is pretty awesome. So there's a lot of different light modes available on here that you can play around with. But you definitely have the LED light option in the bottom and also projection option on top. That looks pretty cool if you can see. So this is what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Very easy and very simple, and it actually looks pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So next little quick test, the product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So you see from the test, the actual product is actually pretty cool because it basically works like a night light projector option and also give you guys that LED light option as well. So that way you can have like your own portable karaoke option to use it anytime and anywhere. And also that way you can have your own party as well since it works like the Bluetooth speaker. And then on top of all that, it's actually really cool how to give you guys the option to control it manually on the device. Or you can also use the remote control to control it as well, which is this one right here. You can change all the different settings on here. And if you guys don't know what each button is for, they do provide guys that information in the user manual. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality portable Bluetooth speaker that works like a karaoke machine, provide guys like the LED light option and so much more, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one. and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.